Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. I've been locked for about 2.5 years now, and over that time, I know that I've expressed that I didn't really like my puffy roots. I never fully embraced the naturalness of my natural style. And I'm gonna explain that in this video. I'm gonna explain exactly what I'm talking about, and you can let me know in the comments if you felt like this too. I never really felt too good about not having my hair retwisted. A lot of that was due to the length of my hair. Before my hair was this length, obviously it had to be a little bit shorter. I'll say when my hair was right here, it wasn't giving. And the fact that I have dyed my hair, and I've talked about, dyeing my hair, and I've talked about the length in so many videos. I'll link them below. But the fact that I dyed my hair had a lot to do with it. Since I dyed my hair, you can just kind of see that there was always a difference between this part of my lock and the undyed part of my lock. So the dyed part of my lock was always a little bit thinner, not too much, but actually you can really see it on this one. The dyed part of my lock was always different than the top of my lock. So just imagine when my hair was shorter and this was all the lock that I had. It was just puffy roots and very small locks. So it was very big up here and very short right here. And it just didn't give me the look that I wanted to. And I would always want to wear my hair without retwisting it, but I guess I didn't look like those girls that I saw that had the puffy roots, but they also had very thick locks. I wasn't giving that. But I am so happy to say that I do not feel like that anymore. As you can see, I have not retwisted my hair. I think the last time I retwisted my hair was in June or July, and it was July, and it is now September. And I'm not making this video to say that I'm never retwisting my hair again. It's just I don't have anything to do right now. I don't have any major events to go to, and so I'm not about to waste a retwist, especially because my birthday is in less than 30 days. So I'm not about to retwist my hair right now, and then my birthday comes and I have an old retwist. Nonetheless, I am just embracing this style right now, and it feels so good. And surprisingly, I have gotten the most compliments that I've ever gotten on my hair, and I just feel so confident with it like this. And I'm not gonna say I never felt like that, because y'all know I've been confident throughout my lock journey. But as far as not having a style at all, usually I will wash my hair and then I braid it and then I wear it wavy, or I do something to my hair. I washed my hair and I just let it be. And this was the first time that I have ever done that. Even if I did that in the past, I would put it in a low ponytail. I would do something to my hair. This was the very first time that I felt comfortable enough in my own skin, in my own journey, to just wash my hair and let it be free. And I love that for me. I started realizing that even though I felt comfortable enough to be natural and to wear my locks, I was still allowing the outside world and people outside of myself to dictate how I felt about my hair. And I think that it was very subconscious. I don't think that I was they're going to say this. But after so many times that somebody's oh, when are you gonna retwist? Are you gonna retwist? Something after hearing so many comments about your roots, you start to internalize that, and you start to think, well, damn, should I not have do my roots not look good like this? And then just that mixed with me already not liking the thinness of the lock and the length of my hair, it just made me not fully embrace all that my locks are. So what I'm trying to say is, I think that subconsciously, I just found ways to not fully embrace my puffy roots by braiding it after washing it or putting it in my low ponytail, because I was looking at some of my videos and I stayed with that low ponytail when I didn't have a retwist. So it feels very good to not have to hide behind styles anymore. And I do think that it's unfortunate that my hair had to grow for me to feel like that, but I'm still happy that I arrived in this space nonetheless. I am very proud of myself for just being my natural self. And I was always my natural self. Yes, I always, had my locks, or before locks, I always wore my afro. But it's just something about wearing my locks as is and not caring about what anybody has to say about it, that just feels so freeing. And like I said, majority of the comments that I'm getting from people, like random people on the street, is like, oh my God, I love your hair. I was literally driving, my windows are halfway tinted. I was driving and this man complimented my locks. Like I was leaving the parking lot and this man complimented my locks, and I was just like, wow, I'm so glad that I'm in this space where I can fully accept myself, because when you fully accept yourself, then other people have no choice but to accept you. And if they don't accept you, who cares? So if you're struggling right now in your lock journey and you don't like the appearance of your locks, you feel like you always need a retwist, you always want a style, don't try to force yourself out of that space. Because like I said, I've been locked for 2.5 years and I'm just starting to embrace my natural locks without a retwist. It's gonna take some time. You may get frustrated, you may not like your locks sometimes, like you may feel unconfident, but it's all a part of the journey and it's all gonna be okay, because in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, you're not going to feel the same. The more that your locks grow, the more that you are going to grow inside, and you're gonna find the beauty in things that you never thought that you would find the beauty in. Because I truly never, I'm not gonna say I never thought, but I guess I just didn't see myself being this comfortable to wear my puffy roots out. Like I didn't see that for myself, but I'm just on a journey of fully accepting myself. I feel like that's what this season has been about for me, fully accepting myself and just showing up in the world as me and not caring about what everybody else has to say when it comes to social media, when it comes to friends, when it comes to society, family, just not caring and fully embracing who I am. Because if I don't embrace me, who's gonna embrace me? Like I can't wait for the world to accept my hair and to tell me that it's okay. I have to accept my hair and tell myself that it's okay, and tell people that this is me and you can take it or you can leave it, but either way, I'm going to be myself. I appreciate you so much for staying until the end of this video. I really hope that I was able to just help you. If you are struggling with your appearance, your lock journey, just be patient. It's okay. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video. I'm gonna put my socials in the description box below so that you can connect with me. I also just made another YouTube channel for my business, Glow with Ro Fitness. So if you're interested in fitness, health, wellness, yoga, I'm a personal trainer and a yoga instructor. So all of that is going to be in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video.